All right, good morning, ladies and gents. Another day, another dollar? I don't know. Oh, maybe that's probably not quite the saying to say. This pink line and blue line are very much exaggerated compared to that red line. Let's do some more work here. A little better. No difference. All right, so Nasdaq's opening basically flat. Tesla has a small move up based on some upgrade by an analyst, and I have no idea what else is going on. Crypto gave a little bit of topping last night. Not a bunch of topping, but a little bit of topping. So Bitcoin at 1.25. Litecoin seems to be continuing a down trend trajectory. Nothing horrible, but down enough. Litecoin down 7% from yesterday, which luckily was pretty much at the high, but it's going to do damage to some of those Bitcoin ETFs. The Bitcoin price, not so much. It Bitcoin popped up to 18.5 and then down to 17.2 real quick. So it's a bit of an issue. Nothing extravagant, but definitely not what you want to see. Although it's going to happen, we're going to have some bubbles. We'll see how the market responds to the action when we open in about 40 seconds. So let's keep upgrading as long as we can, okay? Pretty loud. All right, what's up today? GDLC, Beyond Meat, Tesla, Donkey Kong, GBTC, Net. Really not much at all, actually. Pays, NIO lower. I think NIO had earnings, right? I'm gonna have to type it in. They did, and they didn't go anywhere, which just murders anyone who didn't sell the option. Hey, what's up, Nighthawk? So market open flat, NIO flat. Looks like slowly trending to the downside for the opening minute. Pretty tepid open at the moment. Atlassian symbol team looks like getting a little bit of a pop. Beyond Meat, which had a you know bad earnings announcement, looks like trying to come back into the gap. This is GDLC. This one's interesting. This is GDLC. This is supposed to be like the top 5 cryptos by market cap, weighted by market cap. So this thing is 60% BTC, and it's done nothing over a while. So that's kind of an interesting thing to see. Looks like Tesla is up, but coming down. The whole market doesn't seem to be very frothy at the moment. Hey, what's up, Rob? Maybe AMD's doing something? What do you think? Yeah. So AMD not too bad up here. I like AMD's action actually. It's got I guess a double bottom here. Now it's got a higher low. Looking for a higher high. That would probably be end up being a change in trend. So far, nothing doing. The 200-day moving average still has a ways to catch up, so could still be biding its time. Yeah, pays down 33%. Yeah, they were down a bunch. Bad earnings, so they're definitely willing to punish. Do we? I'm not sure if we have pays on our thing anymore. I may have taken it off. Oh, it's still down here. Yeah, I probably should remove it. It really hasn't done anything in a couple of years. It's actually looking like it's forming a long-term turnaround play. So if you're super bottom action, maybe look for a bottom in pays. I'm not sure if it'd be a double bottom around 356, but if you're a bottom buyer, this could be a decent opportunity. I don't think pays is that bad. I haven't been looking at it either, so take a look at that if that's something you're in. Actually, you know what? Let me look at it. And they still haven't called South Carolina election. Or Georgia. Still haven't called Georgia? Wow. See how the world moves on. What's up, bud?
I need battle to speed it up.
Hmm.
So I'll do it.
All right. Well, hey, if you're gonna do that, change those weapons to some better ones, because those are level ones. We have like level 6 and 7 inside of our inventory, but you got to swap them out first. You say like the blue button, send to hanger. Yeah, there you go. Still trying to new IBD. I want to try to figure out how to avoid that horrible screen that I found. I don't know if I can. Whatever you want, bud. Let's do the search. It looks like they removed a bunch of stuff here. BA had a great couple weeks. Yeah, I think I read yesterday it was up like 50%. So pays with a 46 composite rating. PayPal top of the group that they're in. Negative 340% EPS change. Jeez. Negative 25% sales. That is not good. You have sales declining. I don't like that. Yeah, definitely not something we should be locking horns with there. Litecoin, how's LTCN still popping? Up to 300. Geesh, this thing doubled from a few days ago when we were looking at it. CDNA, new high for CDNA. What does CDNA do? Now that I have the tool up, may as well use it. Develops diagnostic surveillance products used to monitor organ transplant recipients. 400% EPS change last quarter, 58% sales change last year, 60% 3-year sales growth rate. A- distribution, 2.2 up down volume. 1 is equal buying and selling, just candles. Yeah, excellent. Excellent CDNA. Beyond Meat, Donkey Kong, 2.35%. Looks like it may be trying to start curling up. 2 pocket pivots, not quite 3 in recent history. One was on earnings, one was yesterday after earnings. So maybe good signs for Donkey Kong on the rebound. Also crossing the 50-day moving average. Tesla holding up above 1%. Hit 550. And DocuSign. So there's Atlassian. It was leading us, but we've had a couple others actually go up a little bit more. So check out Global Watchlist for a minute. Livongo, that's right, they're no longer in existence. ACB. VFF. Yeah, I got VFF yesterday. What's it doing today? It's down today. Yeah, I did end up buying VFF yesterday. I like this setup, and then it started moving up, and then I got it at about 7. Luckily, it moved a little bit higher, so that's good. Yeah, speaking of moves yesterday, Rob, did you see Riot? Holy bejesus, look at Riot blockchain. After doing nothing, after doing absolutely nothing, goes on to take the whole move in one day from 4 to 6. That's 50% in one day. This thing got up as high as 50%. Hey, what's up, E-dubs? Yeah. Yeah, it was a lot. They have more volume this morning on the sell-off, it looks like. Jeez. That's super aggressive. So, yeah, Riot up a tremendous amount. That is a big move, but selling off a little bit today. Nasdaq flat. So we're not selling off for the Nasdaq too, which is good. This is almost like a I don't know, but it's like a little symmetrical triangle base or something. So ACB up 5% today. Maybe bottomed, guys. Filled a gap. Have we filled a gap here, guys, on some of the MJs? Look at that. What do you think? 50-day moving average now acting as support. That's a little bit intriguing, I do have to say. Not sure where to throw money. Well, you could argue, I mean, longer term, you could throw a little bit at some of the MJ sector. Really good technical signs. Just a little pullback here, only from 14 down to 6. Yeah, MJ ETF. You could do some there. I mean, yeah, I'm not mad at MJ itself. A 3 times MJ ETF. Oh, geez. What's CMPS? Oh, wow. That's pretty. Hello, nurse. What do these guys do? Oh, their drug company in mental health care. Yeah, what's up, bud? With what? Your Titan?
I was using the Natasha.
Oh. Yeah, with the upgraded Calamity. Good.
I chose
Is that really what they're doing?
which has the most health.
XPEV with a bull triangle. Maybe. Yeah, it's possible. It's a little small right now. I don't think you can take it out of the conversation, though.
Dude, after I died, we got the sea beacon.
Looks like Tesla staying up so far today. That's good. XPEV CELH holding strong up here in its bull flag. Nice little consolidation for CELH after breaking out very nicely. Peloton, AMD. Tesla with Tesla's pattern is awesome. The S&P 500 announcement. I got to be honest, I was expecting it to stay up and maybe continue, but it pulled back significantly. But it did close up like 7 or 8%. So no reason to be jumping ship. And then so far a night, it's been, this is kind of I guess the day opening I was expecting yesterday, like this, just fake going lower but going higher. Instead, it just kept going lower. it fake went higher and then went lower. So, but yeah, I mean, as long as it's stable from here above the trend line, we're above the 50-day moving average handily. especially on volume, and obviously a pocket pivot with that's the announcement of the S&P listing on December 21st, if I'm not mistaken. So there should be a concerted buying effort. I mean, there's already been a concerted buying effort. I think that's why this triangle is formed. I read an article, they said that they're going to include Tesla in the S&P, and that was obvious at some point they were going to have to, but that institutions just had to, they couldn't buy enough without running the stock up double again. Good job. No one left to buy. Well, when you realize the entire market cap of Tesla is less than half of a bunch of mutual funds, I doubt that. There's plenty of plenty of capital in the marketplace. And what do they pay for? They pay for growth. So Tesla is pretty much huge market cap, guaranteed growth. They're the darling of the market for they're the Apple of that model stock from Apple in 2005. I don't think that's a coincidence at all. So I'm with Ellie. I think Apple looks excellent here. Look at this nice formation has been put in the past couple of weeks. I think Apple does look really good here. A little bit more structure than Amazon. Amazon also not doing too bad, consolidating. I think that's pretty good too. We don't have any MJs up here. LADUAL. There's UAL with a huge cup and handle. Amazon to 5K? Yeah, absolutely. At some point. I mean, they're gonna have to pump a little bit more money into the economy, and I mean, Amazon's growth isn't really going to slow down. There's no one coming in and really the only one that can stop Amazon is number one the law of large numbers, which means that the bigger you grow, the harder it is to grow, because there's only 7 billion people on the planet. So if you're selling to 6 billion of them, that last 7th billion isn't necessarily, something that's going to move the needle that much. Baba coming? Coming where? Geesh. Why is Baba dropping? Maybe a Biden win is bad for Chinese stocks. Coming to the U.S.? I wonder why they would drop. I wonder if all Chinese did. Oh, Alibaba. Gotcha, to challenge Amazon. Well, in my mind, Ellie, I'm already moved on. my my head sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes moves really quick, and I'm just like way thinking about something else. Um, I was thinking this morning actually. SI chart is so sick. I like sick charts. Ooh, little too sick. Jeez, basically just doubled. That would have been a great stock to get into. Jeez, look at that, man. I don't know if I would have pegged it for a double. What do these guys do? That is phenomenal. They're just breaking out again right here. I'm not sure if you can anticipate a third measured move, but it's already done two. And so that would put you up, what, 45? 36? That's 20% up from here. Dang. What is this thing? Silvergate, never heard of it. It's like they don't have options. Yeah, no options. Man, what a run. See, stop pointing out charts that are already up. Start pointing out charts that are flat. Holding company for Silvergate Bank operating via 2 branches in California. What? They're operating. This bank operates 2 branches worth 558 million, 4.5 up down volume, 31% change in funds owning stock. They're just starting. 2 branches in California, 95 composite rating on IBD, which is excellent. EPS is garbage at 3%, but current quarter estimate 68%. Why the hell would they launch like that around, was it mid-October? Digital asset lending? Are they doing like some crypto banking or something? All right, I gotta look up this place. Silvergate Cap Corp. Silvergate Bank. Silvergate is a banking platform as innovative as the entrepreneurs we serve. Banking for the future. Silvergate has served. Here, I'll pull it up here. I know you guys are super into reading websites on video, so I figure I'll do this for you. Silvergate has served entrepreneurs in unique niches and industries for 20 years, recognizing digital currency's potential during the sector's infancy. What he means by that is 2020. We built strong relationships with pioneers who were turned away by traditional banks. Solidified our position as industry-leading innovators, partners here. Refreshing take. Industry-leading banking payment solution for innovative digital currency and fintech companies. Real-time USD settlement between counterparties by using some of the largest exchanges in the world. SEN, is that a crypto? No. No, it's not a crypto. You have EQOS, which is Diginex, a crypto trading custodian exchange. Yeah, I want to know what you guys do. Digital currency, Silvergate Exchange Network, digital currency exchange, institutional investors, software developers, fintech companies, commercial loans, commercial banking, personal banking, banking apps. Interesting. I really need to know what you do, like exactly what you do. Because a 380 million market cap company that's running like that. Keep in mind this thing just doubled, so this thing could end up being, this thing was a $150 million company. That's a $300 million company. A triple from here would be $1 billion company at $100 a share. Moving money between the 2 branches. It's called wash trading. That reminds me of my favorite SNL skit that no one knows. I am the only person who this is their favorite SNL skit, and I have no idea why it's one of my favorite SNL skits of all time. It's so weird. It's right up my alley. So weird. And I just thought of it. It's an old bank. I think it's an old banking. It's a banking company commercial. It's filmed in black and white. And when you said that, Ellie, I just thought about this. Saturday Night Live, SNL, Saturday Night Live. Anyway, I just thought about that. What we'll do is we'll move the money between the branches, and we'll call that volume. It's basically how the skit goes. He has that kind of tone to it. That's awesome. Anyway. GLDC 4.5%, Beyond Meat, Space. Space is not doing bad things, guys. Look at Space. Look at Virgin Galactic. This is not doing bad things. I kind of like it. I kind of really like it. I don't know what to do with it, but I kind of like it. You know, anyone else with me on that one? It's pretty good. Hold what? Space? No, I gotta trade it. I can't hold anything. They got two PC. You mean SNL did, Rob? They've always been. They've always been PC pretty much. TGT instead of space? Why TGT? What's TGT? Oh, Target? I mean, by Target instead of space? Rob. Oh, Ellen, you're closer to Rob. Go, go where he is. I think he's being held hostage. Just recommended a $100 billion company. It's buried with $1 billion. Something's wrong. I'm concerned for his safety. Exactly. It's not a penny stock. Someone stole his YouTube account, but he's probably tied up in the basement. Probably the guy he found on the internet to come over his stuff didn't untie him and stole his digital identity. This does look good though, Rob. We did an ASMR episode, if you guys remember. It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. It was great. Oh, look at the action this morning on Target. I didn't even look. The Chipmunk episode? Yeah, I'd have to somehow break my USB cable to redo the Chipmunk episode. Have to make an audio filter or something. All right, so market's stabling out, kind of. We're down 0.35% right now on the NASDAQ. Get your KGs running today. 5%. Boom. Obviously, the bottom is in. Yeah. Obviously. All right, so Tesla floundering around over here. Not much really moving today. Not much really moving today. Funko leading the charge today on my list. Funko still kind of beaten down from coronavirus a little bit, trying to come back. Is this a coronavirus stock? If it is, it's actually moving pretty nicely. That's starting to get up there. You go. Oh yeah, someone mentioned Boeing. I didn't look at Boeing. I did want to look at Boeing. Oh wow, yeah, Boeing. Very nice move there. Some resistance up here. Looks like a 230, but we're above the 200 daily moving average. We got above everything. And how are we doing? 50 just crossed the 200 a couple of days ago. But our shorter term moving averages are still below. No, that's a 10 day. My bad. Duh. 10, 20, 50, and then 200. So Boeing may at some point may come back and retest some of these moving averages. Maybe an interesting place to re-enter. I do hear they're going to start recertifying the 737 MAX for flight whenever someone ever flies again. So that would be good. But I think a little extended up here for any kind of an entry. All right, NIL looks like it's finally coming down off its perch. Not quite yet. How is Southwest doing? Let's take a look. It's LUV? No, LOV. Southwest Airlines. It's LUV. I thought I typed that in. All right, whatever. What? I can't type. Can't do it. Oh, all right. Looks like they broke out. Look at that. They had a nice flat base there. pulled back into it, and they're not too back. They're not too back from break even from coronavirus at 54. They're at 46. That's pretty good. You mean with Boeing in her at 99? Well, that was you, Rob. You still have that. Do you still have that? Go get biscuit. Give me that.
Okay. Dad. Dad.
Yeah.
It is.
What's he doing? Is he trying to get moms? $126. Cool. Yeah, just keep that forever. Just why not? I guess until it gets back to 350. I don't know what it's gonna do after that, but all right. So NQ 0.42%, and I want to look in this SI. I'm gonna go here in a little bit, but I want to look in this SI for a while. Unless you guys have anything really good. SI was really good, so I want to take a look at this. I want to see what they're doing and why they've just doubled. Silvergate is the parent company of Silvergate Bank, the leading provider of innovative financial infrastructure solutions and services to participants in the nascent and expanding digital currency industry. We leverage our technology platform and our management team's expertise to develop solutions for many of the largest U.S. digital currency exchanges and investors around the globe. Our solutions are built on deep-rooted commitment and proprietary approach to regulatory compliance. Geesh. Headquarters in San Diego, Silvergate has been profitable each of the past 21 years. We began pursuing digital customers in 2013 and have been deliberate in our approach to serving the community since. 700 plus digital currency and fintech customers that are using our platform daily to grow and scale their businesses. I don't even know what that means. Presentations, let's see what they got. Streaming TV with Fubo. Yeah, you mentioned something with... Didn't you guys mention that earlier? Fubo? You gonna give me presentations? Ethan. Well, why is he still barking? So 1026, 810. I think this is close to when they started their rally. So they have their own blockchain network of SEN, it looks like. Companies develop new protocols, platforms, digital currency net customer growth, global payment platform utilization. Oh, wow, that really exploded in 2020 here. Fee from digital currency customers. Wow, that's really good growth. Here we go. So so Coinbase, Genesis, Bitstamp. That's some pretty good company right there. 64 customers, 601 million in deposits. So quite a few deposits. Institutional investors sell Bitcoin, digital currency exchange. Credit quality. Maybe residential banking and stuff too. I'll have to look at this a little later. All right, let's take a look at that. What are you looking at? Fubo. Of course, it's up 1,000,000%, right? Yeah, it's already up a ton. 13 to 22. Loosely crossing the prior high. So far, it looks like it's acting as resistance. Fubo TV provides live streaming platform for subscribers to access sports events, news, and entertainment. EPS is garbage. 950% sales is pretty good. 2.1 up down volume. I gotta go stop the dog from barking. Darn it. Yeah, interesting. Pretty decent here recently. I'd like to see some kind of a calming down, then we'll see what's what. But I'm going to bounce, ladies and gentlemen. You guys have a great day. I will see you later in the Power Hour or tomorrow, right? What's today? Wednesday or Thursday or something? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Yep. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.